What's up, guys? So today is Sunday, which is 8th of October, and I'm currently on the gold chart. This is the H4 on gold, and on Friday we saw this. So literally last week we saw all of this consolidation, and then on Friday we saw this push after price dropped to around 1812, 1811. We saw a push that closed the market at 1831. So what is the outlook on gold for this week? So last week turned out as expected. So we did see we saw the push to the downside on the weekly. So we broke the bottom line Bollinger Band on the weekly. Yeah, so we broke the bottom line Bollinger Band on the weekly. So what should we, or what could we potentially be expecting for this week? So what should we be expecting? So this is what I am seeing on the chart. So since we have closed, we've moved from the bottom line Bollinger Band. So the market was consolidating on this range, and then we moved out of that range. So let's go on the H1 so I can show you more. So on the H1 on the 1 hour chart, so the market was consolidating this whole time. You see that? So the market was consolidating from between the bottom line Bollinger Band to the upper line Bollinger Band. So that was what we were seeing the whole week of last week until price shoot down during the NFP, and then price moved up and just closed a little bit above the upper line Bollinger Band at 1832. So what could we be expecting this week? So since price has closed just above the H4 Bollinger Band line, what I think could potentially happen is to see price push up from 1831 to somewhere around 1840, 1857. So because I'm thinking that price could potentially push to go back and touch the support around 1860, which was the support that was holding us at this stage until we broke down. So I'm thinking price could potentially pull up and go test 1860. It's possible that we could see that during this week, and then after price goes up to touch that, let's go on the weekly. So after price goes up to touch that zone, which would be around around this place, so we could see price go up. So we could see a bullish candle for this week, pull up to around this zone, pull up like to touch back to this Bollinger Band line, and then we could see price drop back down to fill out this gap, we see price drop to 1800. So we could see a push to 1860, and then we would see price drop back to 1800 to fill up this gap, just like we saw here. So this can happen, or what we could see is we could see price try to move to that zone, maybe to around 1840, 1850, and then drop back down. So this is what I'm expecting from the market. This is what I'm expecting to see in the market. So this could happen, this could not happen, but this is my outlook on the market, on gold. So yeah, so if the market opens, one thing I'll be looking forward to is if we have a pull. This is the point. So if the market opens and we have a pullback to the upper side, I'm selling, because why? We're still on the downtrend. So since we're still on the downtrend, any pullback for me is a sell opportunity, So if the market pulls back, the more the market pulls back, the more money I'm going to make, So if the market pulls back up, I'm selling. But if the market opens and tries to pull up and I see that it's fading away, the momentum is fading, I'm just going to sell. But if it pulls back to around 1840, 1850, I'm going to look for an entry and I'm going to sell it down. So I'm still bearish on gold overall. So my point is we could see a more pullback to the upper side, and then we could try looking for some sell. I'll be looking for some sell, But always go with the trend. So since we're going with the trend, if the market pulls back, I'm taking a sell. The more the market pulls back for me, the more I'm going to print, So I'm still bearish on gold, and that is my outlook. But as always, market can just open and we can see a retracement back to the downside, back to the consolidation, and more downside or more consolidation, who knows. But this is my outlook on gold, and this is what I'm looking forward to in the coming week. So that is it.